everybody, Rog here. Today I'm going to be cooking the most delicious baked potatoes you've ever seen. They're full of cheesy, bacony, eggy, flavoursome goodness that you've ever tasted. It's a wonderful dish, so easy to do. Now before we start, please hit that little button down there. It's right down in that little corner. Hit the bell as well, and you'll get all my notifications and any recipes that I do in the future and all those other ones I've done in the past too. So without further ado, let's crack on. So here we have our potatoes, all nicely washed. Firstly, I'm going to prick these all over with a fork. It just lets a bit of steam out and it stops them splitting while they're cooking. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil to the tops. Brush this in a little bit. This will help the potatoes go really nice and brown and crispy. Then I can add a little bit of seasoning. We just want a little bit of salt and pepper over the top. Not too much, just enough to give a little bit of flavour into the skin. Then it's off to the oven. Gas mark 6 for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes the potatoes are cooked right through. So we've got to hollow them out. Now you don't want to hollow them out completely. You want to leave a little bit of the potatoey stuff, the cooked potato, around the edges of the inside of the skins. We'll scoop these all out and put this into a bowl. Meanwhile we can cook our bacon. And I can tell you guys, I love that smell of cooking bacon so much. Getting back to our potato, I'm going to add some garlic powder, about half a teaspoon. About 1 teaspoon of paprika. Some seasoning, some pepper and some salt. Then we can put in our chopped up green onions. And of course our crispy bacon bits. And a 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder. I grew these in my garden. And we need a little bit of lime juice for sharpness. In that goes. And some Lea & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. Just a little touch of that. And then our cheddar cheese, grated up very nicely. And 1 whole egg. We're going to mix this all together, get all those flavours incorporated and get everything coated in that egg, and then we can move on to filling our potatoes. There they are, all hollowed out nicely. In it goes, tuck it down, making sure that we get plenty in each little potato. And then we can go on the top with a little bit of extra cheddar cheese. Oh, why not spoil ourselves? A little bit more bacon, some more green onions. And then guess what? We're going to go on with even a bit more grated cheddar cheese over the top. Then it's going to be back to the oven for a further 20 minutes on gas mark 6. And then you end up with them looking like this. How about a bit more cheese? How about a bit more bacon? And how about a bit more green onion all chopped up? Oh, look at those. Well, that's it. I can't wait any longer. I'm going to have a taste test. Wow, so tasty. I love potatoes anyway at the best of times. But these ones are absolutely fantastic. Please try this recipe yourself. It's so easy. Cheap meal, party meal, midweek meal, any meal you want. Thanks for watching this latest video, and yeah, what more can I say? I don't know. See you all again next time. Please subscribe.